Hey, Brit. Hmm? So this is our last morning together, huh? Yeah. Last morning with you, sweet girl. I'm gonna miss your sweet face around here. Yeah. I'm gonna miss your sweet face, Brit. Yes, I will. But you're gonna be a good girl for your new mom and dad. And you're gonna have a new brother. Mm-hmm. You're gonna be a good girl. Yes, you will. Wave goodbye to the people. To the people who love you. Say goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks for looking at my pictures. Hmm?